Ever wondered how Salesforce, the world's #1 customer relationship management tool, can revolutionize your business? Well, today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of Salesforce and how one can effectively use it. Imagine having a platform that not only brings all your customer interactions into one place, but also allows you to analyze, strategize, and optimize your customer relationships. That's Salesforce for you. Let's begin by setting up an account. Head over to Salesforce's official website. Click on Start for Free on the top right corner. Fill in your details and hit Start My Free Trial. Salesforce will send a confirmation email to your registered ID. Click on the confirmation link and set up your password, and voila, you now have a Salesforce account. So what next? Navigate to the Setup menu. Here you can customize Salesforce to meet your business needs. This includes managing users, data, and security, creating reports and dashboards, automating business processes, and developing apps. The first step is to create a user profile. Go to Administration, click on Users, and then New User. Fill in the required details such as name, email, and role. Assign a profile based on the user's role and responsibilities. Next, let's configure the security settings. Go to Security Controls and then Sharing Settings. Here you can control the visibility of data among users. You can set up organization-wide sharing settings and also create sharing rules for specific data. Creating reports and dashboards is a breeze with Salesforce. Navigate to Reports and AMP Dashboards and click on New Report. You can choose the type of report you want to create, add filters, and select the fields you want to include in the report. Now let's talk about automation. Salesforce offers a feature called Process Builder. Go to Process Automation and click on Process Builder. Here you can automate standard internal procedures and react to any changes in the data. Finally, you can also develop apps using Salesforce. Go to App Manager and click on New Lightning App. You can add tabs, assign the app to user profiles, and customize the app to suit your needs. In summary, Salesforce is a powerful tool that can streamline your customer relationship management. Today we've learned how to set up a Salesforce account, create user profiles, configure security settings, create reports and dashboards, automate business processes, and develop apps. Remember, Salesforce is all about customization. It's a flexible platform that can be tailored to fit your business needs. So don't be afraid to explore and experiment. In the world of business, staying connected with your customers is key. And with Salesforce, it's not just about staying connected, it's about staying ahead. So gear up and take your customer relationship management to the next level with Salesforce.